gang, gang. Who you with, Shenanigan gang? Who you with, Shenanigan gang? Who you with, Shenanigan
gang?
Oh.
This ain't new to me. I don't understand what you did to me. We don't break up, ain't no leaving me. Don't you forget what you told me.
What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with Shenanigans. Gang, 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 gang.
So today's video is gonna be something a little bit different. We're actually gonna be making and reviewing a sock mask.
A what?
A sock mask, is that it? Or mask sock? I don't know. So basically we came across this video where you can make your own mask out of a sock.
No, you lying. You dead ass?
Dead ass. Well, we gonna see.
Yeah, we gonna find out.
So basically it's cheap, it's affordable, you can make it for your entire family. So if you're balling on a budget, keep watching because I think it's gonna work. The video, it looked like it worked. So all you need is some socks. We got these from Target. They're about yay long. You need a pair of scissors, a fabric softener or a napkin.
But why you need that for?
Because it's used as a filter. You put it inside the sock and it's gonna be like a filter.
Oh.
Don't ask questions.
I guess
I didn't come up
hide
with this.
your breath when it's hot. You know what I'm saying? When you breathe.
And then a lighter, because at the end we're gonna do the blow test to see if the sock actually works as a mask. So
how many steps you got in this?
I don't know, not that many.
Right,
It didn't look that hard. Okay, so she measured it on her face and she ended up cutting like across the ball of the foot, like right after it, because it's a pretty stretchy material. And there's no specific type of sock that you need either. This is a pretty good cotton one.
Yeah, they won't lit. I might have to use them. For real, for real.
Cut.
Cause I ain't got no money for no mask. But I see my black stuff at home.
Yeah, we didn't actually like buy masks. How people were like making and selling masks. We don't really go out, so we didn't feel the need to have to buy one.
Man, do y'all know I get on the Facebook market? This is a little off topic. I get on the Facebook market. I seen somebody selling some masks, right? Get how much the mask was?
How much?
Man, I'm doing with $35.
$35.
For 3 masks, bro. And they weren't even reusable.
Oh, the disposable ones?
Mm-hmm.
They probably still live in the hospital. So anyway, so if you see, I cut right, well, I should cut like right behind the ball of the foot, and then you have to make it straight. So that's what I did. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the close end. So I'm just gonna cut the top part. I don't want to cut too much because I don't want it to be too small. We should have got more than one pair of scissors, but whatever. We're making it work. So now you got 2 openings. One right here and one right here. Now one's J slow, but hurries up.
Yeah, give me some time. I didn't take
You
arts
gotta
and crafts.
like pull the material so it could be easier to cut.
I didn't do arts and crafts in school. I was barely in class. There
Okay.
we go. Alright, what's
So now you're gonna, so you
Here.
see where the top is? You're gonna take a little space below it, so about like this much. And you're gonna cut about 1 inch to 1.5 inches going towards the middle on both sides.
This is a screechy ass sock.
And then the same thing on the other side. This side's not the straightest, but it's alright. Alright. So now you have 2 flaps. 2 flaps. Then you're gonna open those 2 flaps. Like this. And that's what goes behind your ear. Like this. Oh wow. Okay. Let me see.
Let me see if I got it right. Scratch it out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like
Jay is not creative at all.
Yeah.
What do you? Go ahead. Yours come out so ugly. Look at it. Why is this like dangling out?
Oh yeah, I got it though. I can just tuck mine in though.
Let's see.
Just
Compare.
tuck that in.
Look
So
at
you
his
saying-
and look at mine.
So you saying mine ain't straight?
It's okay.
So you saying it ain't no? So you saying mine ain't that goon life?
Okay, so
Look
I'm
like
gonna try the
something
blow
cool.
test before putting the fabric softener.
I just got a long head.
Oh, it doesn't blow.
You don't blow?
Mm-mm.
Hold up now. I know you trying. I know you cat. Hold up, bro. You put my mad back.
Go ahead, blow.
Hold on.
Blow.
Let me make sure something.
Blow.
Alright, let me make some. Let's see some.
Big nose. You got a big nose. You need a whole sock for your nose.
Let me see, man. Oh, damn.
Nope. So now,
You're crazy.
let's do the filter portion. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna fold it in half. You can fold it as many times as you want, but half it covers it. So
I gotta re-edit mine real quick.
you gotta re-edit
Mm-hmm.
this.
Y'all ain't about to be talking about me in my comments.
So then,
What you do with this? Fold it, junk?
yeah, you fold it,
Alright.
and then you're gonna put it in the middle. Right. And it smells really, really good. Works as a filter and it's scented. So you don't gotta smell your danky ass breath or other people's danky breath.
My breath don't be smelling like that because I put gum in my mouth every time I put on my mask.
But gum has sugar, it makes your breath stink.
Not mine. Make mine smell minty fresh.
So, wow, it smells really, really good, you guys. Moonlight Breeze. It's definitely a go.
Oh yeah, this here lit, boy. This here lit, boy. I can go to the club with this bit on. Hey, Black Ninja.
Look like a whole
Hey,
ninja.
gang, gang. Who you with, Shenanigan gang? Who you with, Shenanigan gang? Who you with, Shenanigan?
Gang.
Oh, yes.
Alright, so for the final test, which we already tried it once, but. Did I blow it? Hold on. It blew!
Give me this shit.
It blew! You
Oh Lord.
guys, it blew!
How in the hell? It don't blow with the damn Febreze shit in, but it blow with that junk on.
What? You said it backwards.
No, what? This side. Oh shit.
You're trying to make it not blow.
I don't know.
I don't know, because it worked and now it doesn't work.
Oh,
I think- oh, you have to, like-
you gotta really blow
You
it.
had to like really, really.
If you really
blow.
blow it, it's probably gonna blow out. Let me see that one more again. I don't know.
I don't know, maybe you're good at blowing.
I was blowing hard as hell though, so I know.
Yeah, but who the heck walks around like nobody walks around like
I
that.
wanted to
like-
see if it worked. I was blowing hard as hell.
Nobody walks around like that. I think it works.
I like this joint though. This lit. I mean, my nose about big as hell. My nose like a punching bag.
So maybe if you put 2. So it could cover your nose.
Oh, you got little joker jokes.
So it could cover your nose.
I like it.
I made this one too long, but I think it was a good.
Let me see yours.
A good review. A good idea. Like I said, if you're balling on a budget, if you have a big family, if you don't want to waste your money on it, just grab a pair of socks and cut it up. Anyways, let us know what you guys think. Let us know if you try it. Drop a picture in the comments if you do try it.
If y'all want to see the actual video, it's gonna be in the description below. We out of here, man. Gang, peace.
They say never chase someone, but for you I'll bend the rule. Bought a crib in the 6 right now, baby you should come on through.